My name is Shanti, and this is why my family and I love Reagan Sanai. My favorite thing about Reagan Sanai, products is that we can use it for the whole family. I can use it for my locks. My daughter has, kinky curly hair, and it just makes her hair like super soft, and it even helps with when it comes to detangling. Just makes the process so much smoother. Gratitude in every curl, it just resonates with me as a parent because it helps me help her appreciate her natural hair. Just be acceptance to what she has and not wanting to say, I want my hair like somebody else's. Just appreciate her natural hair. I really love the products, and I would definitely recommend giving Reagan Sanai a chance. The products are high quality and they're very affordable, and I'm just confident that you and your children or child would definitely enjoy those products.